Those of you who have been with me quite some time know that I love a beautiful table. And you know, we have been working, as you can see in the background, we've been working on the bay window. My Christmas table flanks the bay window. And so because of that, it has to be pretty as well. Now, we also put together a lovely centerpiece for this table. So it's time to do the actual dinner settings. And let's see what we can cook up. I have a dilemma. I have 2 dinner plates and I can't decide which one to use. I am Leona Dooley and this is Ebony, Ivy, and Thyme. We are continuing to celebrate the Christmas season by setting a lovely tablescape. If you've watched my previous VLOGmas videos, then you know that I created a bodacious centerpiece just for this table. So now's the time to finish the look with a tablescape. But there was a dilemma. So I hope that you're going to help me out by putting a comment down in the comment box and letting me know your choices. Now, I certainly hope that you are enjoying VLOGmas 2021. I am so excited to have you on this journey. Thank you, thank you, thank you to my family. And for those of you who are new to the channel, before you leave, please tap that subscribe button because that's important to me. That helps to support the channel. Now, here at Ebony, Ivy, and Thyme, we are building strong families in the kitchen, one meal at a time. I'm starting my table setting with these silver placemats. And they're just going to add that sparkle at each of the setting locations. Now, sometime I'll set up the bar as well. But for today, we're just going to do the table. I've got a couple of extras for the bar, but we don't need those. So I'll put those away. Now, this is where the surprise comes. You know my theme. I've been working this tartan red and I found chargers. So I got these from the Carolina Pottery and they were very reasonable, I thought. Now, you know, shipping is not great anywhere. So if you're close to a Carolina Pottery, it is well worth your effort to buy it then. Well, I'm going to need for you to give me your input. I'm going to show you dinner plate 1 and then dinner plate 2. And please tell me in the description box which one you like the best. Now here is dinner plate 1. And here is dinner plate 2. Both of these dinner plates are by Lenox, and I absolutely love Lenox designs, but I can't decide, and I guess I really could play around with it and try using both. What do you think? Let me show you what I decided to do with this tablescape. I used the 2 plate designs that I'm hoping you're going to help me kind of sort out which one I really should use. I added a salad plate or dessert plate on top with 2 cute little cardinals. And you know, it's got a little bit of that black and white in there. It just kind of adds a little extra touch to the look. I also thought I would add my gold silverware. And at each location, I've added a fork, knife, and spoon so that we're ready for dinner. So no matter what we're being served, we've got all the utensils we need. Now to the side, I have a water glass. And in that water glass, I thought, well, let's do a little something extra. And I took a red and white striped fringed napkin, folded it into a triangle and placed it into each of the glasses. And I thought the red and white would just bring out the red and white that is in the birdcage centerpiece. So let's take a look at the entire table. And please give me your ideas down in the comment box. I hope you have enjoyed today's Vlogmas video, and I hope that if you have not watched the previous days that you'll go back and check those out, because I'm having a fun time. And you know what? We're getting ready for the holiday and certainly celebrating with family and friends. So I'll see you tomorrow.